CERN. You've probably heard about it in the news or in your favorite sci-fi films and movies or even in conspiracy theories. But what is it really? I'm going to tell you everything that you need to know about the world's biggest physics lab in under 5 minutes. First off, the acronym. CERN stands for the European Organization for Nuclear Research, but that's originally in French. So the CERN acronym would make much more sense in its original French form, Conseil Européen pour la Recherche Nucléaire. Pardon my French there, or poor attempts thereat. The organization itself was founded in 1954 by 12 countries, but today has over 23 contributing countries to the organization, as well as collaborators worldwide. Its stated mission is to push the boundaries of human knowledge when it comes to the physics of the universe. How does CERN do this? By studying the tiniest building blocks of matter, atoms, and things that are even smaller. CERN itself is located just outside of Geneva, Switzerland, on the border of Switzerland and France. CERN itself isn't just one building. It's a sprawling complex of particle detectors, particle accelerators, and research facilities sprawling mostly underground. The crowning jewel of CERN is the LHC, or the Large Hadron Collider, the largest particle accelerator ever built in human history. The LHC is a gigantic machine, 27 kilometers long in kind of this ring buried 100 meters below the surface of the Earth. Inside, protons and other particles are accelerated to nearly the speed of light before they're smashed into one another so scientists can study what's left behind. Why do this? Why go through all the hassle? Because theoretically, the after effects of these explosions and collisions can simulate the environment of the universe just after the Big Bang. This kind of soupy nature of the universe is something scientists seek to understand to learn more about the physics of our world. Many of these discoveries have already changed so much about what we thought we knew about how the physics of the world works. For instance, the Large Hadron Collider in 2012 famously confirmed the existence of the Higgs boson, or the God particle. A lot of physicists don't like it being called that, but it was a very important confirmation when it came to our basic understanding of physics and the beginning of the universe and, well, everything. CERN can tell us about all sorts of different things. The fundamental forces like gravity and electromagnetism, but also things that we don't necessarily understand yet, like unlocking the mysteries potentially to dark matter and dark energy, something you hear thrown around a lot in the physics corner of modern day science. CERN even produces antimatter, which I know that sounds majorly sci-fi, but they have produced a quantifiable amount of matter that is the polar opposite to everything that exists around you. If you're not a physics buff, then a lot of this might seem kind of superfluous to you, but the discoveries made by CERN have helped everything from cancer and medical research to advanced computing, which is becoming all that more important in today's AI-driven world. Somewhere around 17,000 scientists from 100 different countries all over the world come together in one place to collaborate and learn, to contribute to scientific discovery. It is single-handedly one of the most important scientific collaboration efforts of humanity's history. Despite what internet rumors and conspiracy theorists might have you think, no, CERN is not opening portals to other dimensions or creating black holes that could accidentally swallow the Earth. A majority of these tests are being done after significant mathematical analysis, probing, and planning. The tests are safe. They are meant to mimic some of the most extreme conditions ever within our universe, but it's done in a controlled and safe environment. When it comes down to it, CERN is just a giant physics playground, a place where some of the brightest minds in the world and throughout history have gone to study the interactions of particles smaller than you or I could even ever fathom. Each discovery, no matter how mundane, ever so slightly reshapes how we view the fabric of the universe. CERN is a place where science fiction meets reality, a place where they're not just smashing atoms, but they're smashing the boundaries of human knowledge. This was everything that you needed to know about CERN in under 5 minutes. I'm Teddy Ebby. What should I talk about next?